Reading comprehension for beginners.
날씨가 너무 더워서 못 나가요.
How was the weather? A. Too cold. B. Too hot. C. Rainy. D. There is a typhoon. B. Too hot.
황사를 피하기 위해 마스크를 써야 해요.
Why do you need to wear a mask? A. To avoid coronavirus. B. To not get a cold. C. To avoid yellow dust. D. I have allergy. C. To avoid yellow dust.
가뭄 때문에 물을 아껴 써야 돼요.
Why do you need to conserve water? A. Because of drought. B. There is not enough water. C. My mother told me so. D. To help Mother Nature. A. Because of drought.
저는 걷다가 길이 미끄러워서 넘어졌어요.
Which of the following is true? A. The road is slippery and wet. B. I walked coming here. C. I was running so I fell. D. I fell because the road was slippery. D. I fell because the road was slippery.
저는 해변에 가고 싶어요.
Choose the correct statement. A. I want to travel. B. I want to see the sunrise. C. I want to go to the beach. D. I want to go and eat seafood. C. I want to go to the beach.
우유를 살 때 유통기한을 꼭 확인하세요.
What should you do before you buy milk? A. Check the expiration date. B. Check the price. C. Check the nutritional contents. D. Nothing. A. Check the expiration date.
사과가 다 상해서 환불을 받아야 돼요.
Which of the following is true? A. The apples are in good condition. B. They sell apples at a discounted price. C. I need to get a refund because all the apples have gone bad. D. The apples are small so I need to get a refund. C. I need to get a refund because all the apples have gone bad.
교환은 일주일 이내 가능합니다.
Which of the following is true? A. Refund is possible within 1 week. B. Refund is not possible. C. Exchange is possible within 1 week. D. Exchange is not possible. C. Exchange is possible within 1 week.
이 전통시장에 사람이 너무 많아요.
Which of the following is true? A. There are a lot of people in this traditional market. B. There are a lot of people on this street. C. There are a lot of people in this city hall. D. There are a lot of people in this mall. A. There are a lot of people in this traditional market.
반찬을 남기지 마세요.
Choose the correct statement. A. Please be quiet. B. Do not park here. C. Do not enter. D. Do not leave any side dishes. D. Do not leave any side dishes.